Well, I'm always great about taking the videos, but I've never claimed to be great at editing. So we're going to call this the Lost Archives, as I'm navigating iMovie here, trying to work with folders and that. Videos get put in files, but anyways, alas, we've found the lost files here, so I'm just throwing these back out here as we complete this electrical for the winch wiring project. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and thanks again. So there we have it. We have our quick disconnect there running down through along on our power bar, we're going to call it, heading over towards our battery. So take a look from the other side. You can see the quick disconnect that allows us to get winch power or to jump, but then have our battery running across through there. I'll probably run zip tie or two to help hold that together so it's not vibrating. That completes this portion. Next up, we're going to be doing the oil cooler hoses. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button so you get the latest from me, and look forward to your comments. Thanks again.